Hi, I am presenting a case of retained products of conception. A 27-year-old multiparous woman had history of MTP pills taken 3 months back. Since then, she is having a persistent bleeding for 3 months. Her repeat scan showed that there are products of conception which are in the uterine cavity with a differential diagnosis of GTD or AV malformation. But there were no significant vascularity which is going more in favor of a AV malformation, and beta HCG was 700, so which is also not going in favor of a retained products of conception. So we wanted to see what exactly is there in the uterine cavity. So we did a hysteroscopically to see the retained products of conception. To reduce the chances of endometrial injury, we did a cold resectoscope dislodgement of the products of conception. Means energy was not activated. With the loop, we try to separate the products of conception from the uterus, and once we separated it, then all the products of conception were emptied outside the uterine cavity just by the mere pressure of fluid, and very little suction was necessary for this patient. Later we performed a check examination after we completely evacuating all the contents. So you can notice here that we are not used energy source here, but it is just a cold loop which is just helping the product of conception to separate from the uterine wall. And then, so this is the view after completely separating it, and once we left the fluid to come out, then we can see that there are almost completely all the products of conception have been evacuated outside with very minimal damage to the endometrium, which prevents the chances of Asherman in these patients. So one of the common cause for a development of Asherman is vigorous curettage in the puerperal period, post-abortion or post-delivery. So this procedure will be helpful in preventing the endometrial damage. So we can see that the tubal ostia are seen on either side. Anterior wall and the posterior wall is completely cleared of products of conception. So if there are any doubts about this, please put it in the comment box, and thanks for watching this video.